Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who subscribed so far. If you subscribed today, I thank you too. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 cute ways to wear hairbands such as these in your hair, because these are really popular and on trend in the UK especially. In fact, actually, one of my best friends, Jade, she wears these all the time and I think they look super cute in her hair, that I've had to get some for Christmas. In fact, I could show you with my pearl one as well, because my pearl one works really well as well. Let me get that one too. So I've got this one which is in my head, which is it's like leopard print, like cheetah print maybe, but it's pink and black sparkly. Then I've got my next one. This is what I'm using today. This is my next one, and this is my accessorised one. And then I will just go and get my pearl one. Obviously you can use the one that we made the other day. These two were in the sale at accessorised when I went yesterday. So you could get these. They were £12 for both of them, which is a bargain for headbands, because they're probably about £12 each normally. I'll just get my pearl one. And then this is my pearl one. I'll use this too. It's just a headband, or an Alice band. It's slightly too big for my head, but it still goes in there. And this is from Zara if you want this one. This was £12. I brought this pre-Christmas. Anyway, I'm going to show you these 4 easy ways and cute ways to wear your hair. The first one is really simple, and it is like this. So all I have done is washed and straightened my hair. I did put a toner through it the other day, so it could be or like the purple shampoo. It wasn't shampoo though, it was conditioner. And I've just straightened it. It's kind of like lost its straightness a bit, so it's like semi-straight. But this is it. You just straighten your hair and you chuck in a headband. So you can see my parting, and all I do is just move this front bit of hair up and then put on your headband, sort the hair out. And I always wear my hair to the front of my head. I don't know why I do that, but I do. So there is look 1. The next one we're going to use, it doesn't matter, you can use any one for anything, and you can use the actual Alice bands as well, knot wraps, that's what I was talking. Okay, so then the next one we are going to do is we're going to use this multicoloured one, and all I need to do is use a headband. You can use a brush, because I brought my brush with me just in case, which is normally literally sit on the floor down there, but for a video I have to sit on an actual dining room chair. So as you can see, I've just scooped my hair back. The headband is on my hair. The headband is on my hand like that, because that's how I do it. And then I just scoop my hair around to make a messy bun, and then I put the elastic band in like that. If you then put in your headband, I hope that came out right, you can then play around with your bun, and there is your messy bun hairstyle. I need to play that back to make sure that came out, but there it is. And actually that is really cute. I actually really like that. Right, so that is look 2, and I absolutely love this. My buns sometimes just never go right, but today it's gone perfect. I think it's the straightened hair. That's probably my tip for you, is straightened hair with that. But I really love this. And actually I think I could wear this to work, to a wedding. I could do whatever. I'm just actually trying to book my wedding hair in for my friend's wedding. I'm just waiting for my sister to reply. So that's look 2, and then let's go on to look 3 now. Take them out. Again, I'm just gonna, everything is gonna be a straight head based, but like the first one would look really cute with curly hair as well. And if I get a dress that will tie in with this for my friend's wedding, then I probably will wear that. Okay, so I've gone back, I've got my parting back in my hair, and then I am, it's a bit wonky here, hang on, there we go. Got my parting in my hair, and we're on to the next look. The next look you can do two ways. You can do a French plait or just a plait down the back of your hair. It doesn't matter if it's wild or messy, you just need to plait down the back of your hair. And I'm going to try and record this backwards for you because I'm going to have to, I think. Can you see? Right. So all my hair is in like a low pony. And then I just divide it in 3. And then I just do a normal plait. Which is really hard to do on camera. So 3. 1, 2, 3. Hope this is turning out right and looks alright, and you can see me cutting my hair. Right, now I'm at the end. I'm going to just put my hairband in. Like so. I could have probably gone a bit further. And then all you need to do is put in your headband. I'm using my pearl one for this, but you can use whatever you want. And then if you've got like little wispy bits, it doesn't matter if they hang out and down because it's quite cute. You can pull some down the, oh, not that much, in your face. That needs trimming. But yeah, just pull bits out like that, which is really cute. Keep your hairband in. It will look cute with any hairband, and then you've got your plait down the back, so it looks like, it's really hard to film. And that is your third look. You can see like where my hairband's a bit big on my head. You can see like the gap in. That's why it's good if you've like back combed it a little bit, but you don't need to for any of these. So that is look 3. Okay, then on to the final look. Let me turn that off because I don't want my battery to go low. Right, and then for my final look, let's take all of this out and do the final look. And it's a little bit more to it, I guess, than, well, the others are pretty easy too. Well, so this is the next look. I've got my straightish hair, my middle parting. You can obviously have side parting, whatever, it doesn't really matter. And for this one, we are going to use this pink one, which is my next one. You can use whatever you want. And there's 2 options to this really. You can have it as a low ponytail, or you can do it as a bun again, and both are cute. Especially if you've got like the wispy bits that you can pull down. Like mine, I've got like the wispy bits here that I can pull. Yes, and they're actually pulling out. Happy days. And it just looks cute. So this is the one I'm going to be doing is as a bun, because that is how I think I like it more. but it's up to you. If you want to do it as a low ponytail, you can do it as that. It's totally up to you. So I don't really want to turn the whole way round. I might have to. So all my hair to the back, like so, and into a low pony. If you're just doing it as a low pony, tie it in the knot now, tie it up in the band. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, done. And I saw this on Pinterest with a girl with short hair as well, and she just had like little stubs hanging out of hair, and that looks super cute too. So this is ideal for someone with short hair. If you want to put it up as well and still look cute, you can. So for me, because I'm just going to do it in a bun, all I'm going to do is keep it as it would be in a ponytail, take my hairband over but not take the whole hair through, and then just bend the hair over a bit each time you put through into the ponytail, so it's like a bun. It makes a bun. Does that make sense? Do you want me to show you again from the back? Okay. Ouch. So that would be a ponytail. That would be a ponytail. For me to do a bun, keep it as you would a ponytail. Your hairband halfway on your hand, so it's ready to come off. So I've got it to do it into a ponytail, but I'm not. So when it gets to like 3/4 of the way down my hair, I then put the hairband through, and then again, but then I'm just tucking the bun through it. And this is how I do like my crazy hair styles. So like so. Then pull out some wisps. Like that. And then put in your headband over your wisp, so your wispy hair is still out the front. And there is your cute hairstyle for number 3. 4 even. And there you go, there is look number 4 for you. It's super cute. Obviously my hair is super long, so the bun is crazy at the back. But if you've got like longer bits hanging out, you can just re-tuck them into your ponytail, into the actual hairband, and it stays. But there you go, there is look 4 for you. And there you have my 4 quick and easy cute hairstyles featuring a hairband. I know quite a lot of you actually wear these hairbands, like Alexis, I know you wear a lot. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which way is your favourite and would work for your hair. Like I mentioned, April, obviously you've got shorter hair, and obviously I've got quite long hair now. Stuff like this you could just do into the little ponytail, or tuck it into a bun, even with it just being short, because it still works and it is quite cute. So anyway, and thanks for watching. Bye.